their own business or any work. Next, this is PMGY. PMG stands for Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana, launched in 2000. This is the additional central assistance is given to state for basic services such as primary health, primary education, rural shelter, rural drinking water, and rural electrification. Means these are the assistance given by the central government to the state government to create and facilities for to provide these basic facilities to their in their own states. Another important scheme is Antyodaya Ann Yojana, AAY. AAY basically beta, it is for the poorest of the poor. Those they are the means under this scheme they are getting 35 kg wheat free of cost or in rupee 1. Okay, and for this the another pink color ration card is issued, that is known as a Antyodaya card, ration card. Okay, so these are some targeted anti-poverty measures taken by the government. Beyond that also number of programs or schemes has been launched and implemented by the government to resolve this problem. But the result of these programs have been mixed. Though the government has introduced and implemented number of schemes, but still we are unable to achieve the target to reduce poverty. What are the reasons? Now this is the question for discussion. What are the possible reasons? So the possible reasons of not achieving the target is less effectiveness. Or less effectiveness is of proper implementation and right targeting. Okay, the people those who are actually poor, they are not getting the benefits of these schemes, and the schemes are not implemented effectively by the officers. Second is a lot of overlapping of schemes. Yes, number of schemes are introduced and implemented, but none of the scheme is fulfilling the aim, and the people are also not aware about those schemes to take the benefits. Next is despite good intention, the benefits of these schemes are not fully reached to the deserving poor. Again, right targeting is the same. Means actually those who are poor, they are not getting the benefits, and those some people creamy layer people are enjoying the benefits of these schemes. So here the government has to categorize and classify the people and has to make right target to give the benefits of these scheme to those people. Okay, now the next topic is the challenge ahead. Beta, except poverty, there are some other challenges. Poverty has declined in India, but despite the progress, poverty reduction remains India's most compelling challenge. Wide disparities in poverty are visible between rural and urban areas. Yes, beta, though overall poverty has been declined, but still we find a disparity in between rural and urban areas. In rural people, the people are more poor as compared to urban areas. This disparity we find among in between different states, as well as among social groups and economic groups. Again, we find the vulnerability of poverty. Poverty reduction is expected to more better progress in next 10-15 years. This would be possible mainly due to how we can make this possible. Just higher income growth, increasing stress on universal free elementary education, declining population growth, increasing empowerment of women and economically weaker sections of society. How it would be possible? When we will put focus, or the government will put focus to for the higher economic growth, when we will increase stress on universal free education, elementary education, when we will focus for the family planning and to control population.